Ka jing sa priang ya ka video haringkat ka Jingkren Thaw-Nang ya ka Jingkren Timothy D. Shirao MLA ka National People's Party na Resubelpara ubadairu sembut lampang ka ying dorbar thawan ka jela na ka ba ulakran ban persya ya ka mat winter capital hatura haying dorbar da balsrang marak ubadi YouTuber bat ka mikanchi ar sangma ka badai ka social media user kala penlong yo new MLA ban ujor da ka muka dema bai menran khmat lani ka defamation case but criminal case persya ya kita ki arngut. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor haka khat ar tarik ulber araja arpusan Timothy D. Shira ulapen ramjur ya ka jingle kita ki arngut namar baklam latib benya ya ka Jingkren haka yeng kila shupen sa priang haka YouTube ba upersya ya ka emlang sa lang ki garo.
Case and criminal case against two persons. One is Balsang Sangma and one is Mikanchi Armara. Arsangma.
Who are these individuals, sir?
Who are individuals? One is a person, a man from my constituency, and other one is from Dorongre, from Assam.
What is the allegation?
What is the allegation? They have made it viral in the YouTube, regarding my speech in the assembly with regard to the making Tura the winter capital. So there, I think you have the record of my speech.
Mm-hmm.
So they said they don't understand what I have spoken. So without knowing the details and what I have spoken in the house, they have made plus in the YouTube that I am totally against my community. I am totally against the construction, making Tura winter capital, and thereby, you see, he said he condemned me for not cooperating with the community. That means Kyrwoh.
Hababen rap unoy sa an jong Timothy ulaong bakila dawaru ya ka bay menran khmat ka balong shispa Klur na kita ki arngot. Ulapan pau ka jingpen ramjur ya ka nong sya Mudui ka bana Asam ka bom dan banta ai bat ka jela bat batai da ka wai pat ka rukom kran na ka ba unong Mudui ulakran ha ka yeng dorbar men ha ka henriu tarik uluber araja arpusan halor ka resolution balawan ra daw Dr. Mukul Sangma.
Today we have filed two different defamations. One is civil defamation and one is the criminal defamation. In a criminal defamation, if we can prove our allegation, then they will be punished as per the criminal law, and we have also filed a defamation suit for claiming a damage of 100 crores from each of them. And this is because they have wrongly interpreted what my client, the Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the Assembly. One of the accused person or the defendant is from Assam, who has nothing to do with Meghalaya. She has interpreted the statement given or the speech what he has spoken in the Assembly in a different manner, and that has defamed my client in his constituency, in the Kyrwoh area, and in the entire Meghalaya. For that, he has agreed with the action of these two people. That is why he has approached this Honorable Court today by filing these two defamation cases. See, what my client, Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the Assembly, against that they have made a video whereby certain allegation was made against of him. This allegation against my client, as per his understanding, was wrong, whatever they have interpreted. And now, since the matter is sub judice before this Honorable Court, it will not be wise for us to give more details than this. Thank you so much.
No, these two individuals.
One is the YouTuber and one is just mere social media user.
YouTubers from where?
He's from Kyrwoh Hills.
One is from Assam.
One is from Assam and one is from Kyrwoh Hills.
Can you give the correct name of this?
Yeah, one is Mikanchi Sangma. Another one is Balsrang Mara. Mikanchi Sangma is from Kyrwoh Hills, Resubelpara district, and the other one is from North Kyrwoh Hills. One is he and one is she.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya